Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is that thumbs up. It's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber, so I'm thanking you in advance for hitting that thumbs up. It will turn blue and the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on this beautiful YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys. Really happy to share with you guys that I am back on board with the Allure box. And if you are subscribed to my channel, you know that I shared with you that there is a deal going on that I just couldn't resist. So literally I only missed last month in reference to signing up for a year. I shared with you all of that. I will try to link that video down below because I was able to get, I got an email from Allure telling me that there was this deal, they missed me, they want me back. Understand that all of my subscription boxes are under personal. They're not under True Wants. So they don't know that I have a channel or anything like that. So I called them up to confirm that this deal was open to others, and they said sure. So I will link that video down below because this was a fantastic savings. I end up paying, because I prepaid for the whole year, about $16 and change for this box. And to me, even at $23, it is a fantastic deal, but we get so many deals for that type of dollar that are all full size. It always had me on the fence if I was going to continue, but for $16 and some cents, to me, it is an absolute no-brainer, and I definitely went on board and I prepaid for the whole year. I'm excited about it for three reasons. One, first of all, it's an amazing deal and that you guys will be able to have access to it as well. But more importantly, I really missed that month that I didn't get it. There was some Sunday Riley in there, and I realized that through the Allure box, a lot of the items when I'm sharing with you guys, when we're going through Box of Charm and Ipsy and other boxes, I always seem to be talking to you about a product that Allure introduced me to about a year ago. So even though they only have 3 full sizes in here, the value of the box is always there. It's always over $100 and something. But like I said to you, the value is only based on the products if you're getting introduced to them and they're new and you enjoy them and you use them. And I'm finding with Allure's products that they choose to put in the box, I'm enjoying. So this is something that I wanted to do. As you know, when I learn something or get a deal or find out about something, I always share it with you, and I did. On top of it, a couple of you guys asked, because when you sign up for a year, and I was re-signing up, I didn't set up with a brand new email or anything. I reactivated my regular account. And I know when you're new, you can get a mega bundle. I wasn't sure on the reactivation, but I just got a shipping notification about the mega bundle coming. So I think I'm also going to be receiving a mega bundle on top of all of this. So to me, this is an absolute win-win. Like I said, I'll try to link down below the video with all the codes and everything in it so that if you're interested, you'll be able to access it for yourself. All right, now let's get into October's box. So as you know, with Allure, we always get a brochure. And what's great about this brochure is that it's written by people that work in Allure and they have the opportunity to test the products. So it's no different than me telling you my point of view on it. So it kind of gives us a little inside information besides what the manufacturer, the brand, is telling us about the product. And I really enjoy that. They also sometimes give us discounts, and I put all this information in the description box underneath the video so that if I'm enjoying the product, I will go back to the video into the description box to see what the discount codes were if I'm interested in that. The other reason I really enjoy Allure is they have, and they're doing it more now. They used to do it just a couple of times a year, these deals like these K Beauty and J Beauty, and I always picked up these limited editions, and I knew they were going to be coming up in this fourth quarter, and I really didn't want to miss out on it. So when this opportunity came to get the box for that price, then I got access again to some of the deals, and they actually put in the box a couple of the deals that are going to be coming in the box. So not in this box, that you have access to as the limited editions when you're a member of Allure getting the box. So they said every month we get 100 plus in value. There's at least 6 products in each, 3 or more full sizes, and they're all selected by the Allure editors. There's going to be exclusive offers, which are up to 80% off beauty essentials and the limited edition boxes, which you've seen on my channel and I really do enjoy. So that is what they're confirming. And then the J&K Beauty, there's going to be a box coming up that is going to be of $40. That's going to be a $200 value, which they seem to do every year, and it's fantastic. And then some information on some of the products that are in here, as well as I saw some limited edition, which I shared with you in that video as well. So I went through all of the offers that were at the time, which is only about a week ago. So all of that is still valid. That's why I think it's important that you guys watch that video as well. All right, so this is the Allure October, and it's called Your Curated Box Has Arrived, exclusive promo codes inside. That is the girl on the cover. And let's see what we have here. All right, the first item is one that I am so excited because I have not had the opportunity to try this brand, and this is a very, very high-end brand. And what I've read in the magazines in reference to this is it's really fantastic, the ingredients and everything they put in here. So they're saying to make your skin smoother, brighter, and clearer, this is a dermatologist-loved retinol. They're saying this is the brand called Boscia. It has 0.6% pro-retinol repair, renew, waterless advanced treatment. They're saying you are one of the first to try. This is a brand new product. It is their retinol treatment, and this is a full-size tube, and it has a value of $48. It's loaded with retinol and vitamin C, and it's tried and true ingredients for softening lines and making your skin glow. The retinol is best applied at night, and to start, smooth 3 or 4 drops over your skin a few times a week. Work your way up to every night over the course of a month. And then you can top this formula off with a hydrating serum or a moisturizer, but avoid layering it with products that contain acids like salicylic, glycolic, or lactic, which risk it inactivating the vitamin C or causing irritation when you're pairing it with the retinol. Like I said, this is a $48 value, and there is a code in here. So let's open her up and see what this is all about. So if they're saying to do it first, this has got to be either a really light consistency. Yeah, it's more like a watery consistency. So right after your essence, this is what you would put on. And when I use retinols and things like this, I don't layer up. I'm always very concerned, and I want the merit of the product to really do what it needs to do. So I'm really, really excited, like I said, to have the opportunity not only to try this brand, but a brand new launch. Unbelievable. Very, very excited. All right, the next item that's in here is one that I got introduced to, believe it or not, in a BoxyCharm add-on. And I was shocked at how tiny it was, but then when I used it, I really enjoyed it. So when this product was the other item that was in here, I was excited to have the opportunity to talk about it and share it with you as well. It comes in this box. The colors that I got in this trio is completely different than the one that I got in the add-ons. And this one, it says, swipe to crush pearl over your lids with a clean finger and blend the brown sugar through the creases with a brush. It's the easiest eyeshadow look ever. So there's only 3 colors in here. 2 are matte and 1 is a shimmer, but it's a perfect combination, and I'll show you and I'll swatch. They're saying this is the KAJA Beauty Bento Bouncing Eyeshadow Trio in Chocolate Dahlia. And they're saying this eyeshadow tower is a fun, not to mention gorgeous, reimagining of your eyeshadow palette. It's no bigger than a Hershey's miniature, but it's perfect for throwing into your bag. And the powders inside have a big color payoff that doesn't crease even after a full day of wear. And they're saying how to use this. They're saying it's for a glam look on the quick. You can use a brush to blend the brown sugar, that's the matte chocolate, through your creases, and the cool khaki, the matte tan, over your lids. Then dust the crushed pearl on the inner corners for the reflective rose gold highlight that makes this so much cooler than the average smoky eye. And this is $21, and this brand is available at Sephora. So this is what this looks like here, and it is a trio. So the top here, and they all come with these little safety shields that I took out. This one is here, and it has a little mirror on the top as well. So this is that shimmer that they were talking about, and then I will swatch them all. And then the middle one here is that tan color, which is that perfect transition color or all over the lid color. And then the final one here is in this chocolate color. They feel so smooth. It's such a beautifully rich formula. And I will put it above where we just did the oil, so you guys will be able to see the little, you saw how little I swiped. That is how much is still on my fingers. It is not, and on swatches, a lot of times things will look patchy, but they look okay on the eyes. This doesn't even look patchy on the swatches and is stunning, stunning on the eyes. So really, really excited, like I said, to get that. So this alone more than, you know, paid for the whole box. And like I said, I really missed Allure, and with all these other new deals that they're starting to do with these additional limited boxes, you're gonna see, if you are part of it, really pay attention to your emails because the deals are out of this world. The next item is one that I have shared with you in our True Wants Needed bags. I fell in love with this product and I wanted everyone to know about it. This is, what they wrote about it is, put this clear gloss balm over any bright matte lip color and you will get the dimension. I wear these alone. They are so smoothing and fantastic. This is called the WHISH Pink Champagne Lip Balm. And believe it or not, I have, I think, 5 different scents, and I don't think I have pink champagne. It says you're getting a full-size tube that's a $20 value of this balm, which actually applies more like a gloss with a soft sheen, but it has zero stickiness. It bathes your lips in a soothing hydration, and even after the reflective finish fades, the moisture factor doesn't. This clear balm is also spiked with this patchouli, which is a buzzy botanical ingredient that gives you the smoother skin, or in this case, it will be your lips. And it says you can apply it before bed for softer lips in the morning, but the shine from this balm is too pretty to use only at bedtime. Swipe it on during the day for a fresh, healthy look that pairs well with the no makeup or full beat. Like I said, this is a $20 value, and they also have a coupon code if you're interested in getting it off the WHISH website. And I will do this just down here. You'll see it's a clear gloss, and it has that applicator that has that tilt, so it's easy if you want to put it on directly like this, or you take it with your finger and you can dot it on however you're comfortable, but a little comes out, it doesn't pour out, and it has that glossy, non-sticky formula. It is so moisturizing, and like she said, if you put this on at night, when you wake up in the morning, your lips just are, they're just scrumptious, I'm so happy that so many people are going to have the opportunity to try that. All right, the next item in here is from a brand that I have tried in the past, but not this product. And this is the NATURELAB Perfect Repair Leave-In Treatment. And what the girl who wrote this said, she says you can use this and then air dry, because with all the shine, it leaves behind who needs a flat iron. Okay, this is the, like I said, NATURELAB Perfect Repair Leave-In Treatment. They're saying now the temperatures are getting cooler and your hair is gonna start getting drier. We are obsessed with this J Beauty Leave-In Conditioner. It's a hair strengthening keratin with nourishing botanical oils that make it excellent choice whether you are looking for a boost in your shine department or doing serious damage control. It even smooths over breakage, and one editor who went from Billie Eilish green to pastel pink. It says how you will use it. It says divide your hair into 2 sections, pulling each forward with your shoulders as you rake this light foam through the lengths of your ends. And then to ensure you cover hard to reach areas in the back, run what's left on your hands over your roots, blow dry or air dry, and bask in the shine. Wow, so this is a foaming product. That is amazing, and it's still a leave-in treatment, and it's color safe. Really excited about that. And this is a $16 value. They have also from the brand a discount code for this as well. So let's just do a little bit on the palm. Yeah, it comes out like a foam. Oh, and it has a stunning scent. It's not overly overpowering, but it does have a perfume clean scent. That is really, really beautiful. Okay, excited about that one too. The next one is one that I know and I do recommend. This one, what the girl wrote, it says it removes all traces of product, even mineral sunscreen, without leaving your skin red or irritated. This brand, First Aid Beauty, really does a fantastic job. Every product that I have tried from them, I have really, really enjoyed. This, it says, it's the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. They're saying everyone's skin needs are different, but the importance of removing your makeup before bed is a universal truth with the calming aloe. They're saying this is a fragrance-free cleanser that turns your to-do list item into a soothing ritual, but it's not too laid back either. It also has the power to whisk away oil, grime, and every last speck of foundation. They're saying how to use this every single night when you find a cleanser you love as much as this one. Trust us, you will never again come up with the excuse to prioritize your bed over your cleansing routine. They're saying the retail price for an 8 ounce is $34. So this, even though it's so large, is only 2 ounces. So that's fantastic because this is a really nice deluxe sample size. And also there is a discount code on this as well. On this one, when we opened it, there was a safety seal. So I'm just going to peel it back just a tad so that we can take a look at what this cleanser looks like as well. We'll put it on the palm of the hand also. And it looks like that. And on this one, because I just put it over the beautiful scented hairspray, I don't think there's a scent on this at all. And I really don't think that First Aid does any sense either. So really, really excited about that. And then the last item, the last couple of items that I got in here is this one here. You could have got this, or you could have got one of my favorite creams from Soleil de Janeiro, which is the Boom Boom cream in the orange container. That scent to me is everything. So I'm happy that I got this because this would be a new product for me. This is from Dr. JART, also fantastic brand. And it is the ceramide cream. They're saying the ceramide line uses a blend of ceramides, which do a great job preventing precious moisture from escaping your skin. This cream also contains a botanical extract like artichoke to help smooth your fine lines. You can spread this over your skin in the morning to keep your moisture barrier shored up and ready to protect your skin from irritation all day long. The full size of this would be a $48 value. And like I said, the other one that you could have got was the Soleil de Janeiro, which I thought was great. There's also another Best of Beauty that is going to be coming out in one of their limited editions, which I shared with you in that video. This one is a $40 value. And this one I'm on the fence with because this used to be one of my favorite mascaras from Lancome when I first started getting into high end. This mascara then was over $25, and that's talking years ago. So I think this is like a $30 mascara in a $40 limited edition. There's so many sales going on right now that you really have to pick and choose which ones you're gonna, spend your dollars on. But like I said, these limited editions that they're doing are just fantastic. And like I said, I shared with you, some of them were bundles, some of them were units on their own, like the Laura Mercier for $12. Like I said, I shared all of that in the other video, which I will link down below. Also, if you're a new member, they put in a gift usually, and the gift that they, I guess for doing the reactivation, they put in this box, this product here, which is such a high-end brand. This is the Victor and Rolf. This is their Flower Balm. I have the full size of this very, very expensive perfume. It was a gift, and I was shocked at how large it was and how beautiful. This is a very, very perfumey scent. If you're a girl that really enjoys those flower bouquet type of scents, this is for you. But what I love about this is even in the sample size, the box and the bottle are just stunning. And that's everything that I have for you guys today. So please share with me in the comments down below if, excuse me, if you're just as excited as I am that Allure wants some of us back, and they're kind of giving us the same deal before the $23 box. Or if you're still getting this for $23, I still think that's an amazing deal. But if you can get it for that deal that I did, I think it is an absolute win that all of this for $16 and change, free ship to your door, and then access to all their limited edition, to me is an absolute win-win. Share with me your thoughts in the comments down below, and I will see you all again soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.